Sometimes, after we finish a painting, some of the paint is still left in our palette and we don't know what to do with it. So, today I'll be trying out some loose floral design using that leftover paint in my palette. So, as we all know, acrylic colors tend to dry quickly, and if they are left like that in our palette, they won't be of any use and also ruin our palette. So instead, I am just using them to create a simple loose floral art. So for that, I am using this 6 number round brush, and you see the kind of strokes that I am making. So this is a maroon red color. So I am trying to keep some white gaps in between and just randomly paint with different thick and thin strokes. And these 4 colors, different warm shades, are the ones which are left after one of my abstract painting that I painted. So I'll be just going very quickly, not thinking much about the kind of strokes that I am making, just leaving some gaps in between of white so that the entire flower doesn't get covered up with the complete colored paint. So I'm just leaving some white gaps and I'm just making some random strokes, as you can see. So this video is done in original time itself, but if you want, you can just slow it down to observe my strokes more carefully. So some flowers I'll be making just half so that they'll be like viewed in a side angle, and some I'm making full. So don't worry much about the strokes that you are making, just make them in a similar direction in which you'll get nice petals, and keep some white areas in between. So whenever you are drawing loose florals, you don't need to think much. You can just go freely and keep painting. You can use these florals to make a postcard or a greeting card. You can also paint them on a canvas and just keep them on your shelf. So now this I am doing with these colors, but you don't need to exactly use the same colors. If you want, you can use the same, or else you can use other leftover colors that you have, or anything will do. So these colors are which are leftover are from a Skillshare class that I was painting of a nice sunset scenery. So if you want to check out my classes on Skillshare, they are much more detailed and elaborate. So you can definitely give that a watch. If you are not already on Skillshare, then I can offer you a 14 days free Skillshare premium trial, in which you can take up all the classes that are there for free for completely 14 days. And to get that, you can just tap on the link which is there in the description and just register via that link to get the 14 days free trial. After that, if you like them, you can continue with the paid version or just discontinue your card from the site. So then you won't be charged at all. Also, the materials that I have used for this painting, the brush, palette, the colors, are mentioned in the description. I have the links for them, so you can definitely check the links out if you wish to buy them. Other than that, you can also check out the blogs. It has a lot of information about different kinds of materials you can use and different little tips and hacks to improve your painting. So you can read out my blogs for free. The link for that is there as well in the description. So right now I'm just drawing little birds here and there. So I usually try to create some of the other painting with my leftover colors when I use acrylics. With watercolors, you don't need to worry about that, because watercolors you can just drop a few drops of water and reactivate them again. So I just keep my watercolors to dry in the palette and use them later again. But with acrylics, I just try to make another painting with the leftovers like this. So right now I'm using a black color and just drawing some lines in the central part of the flowers.
Yeah, so I think I'll just add a few more black lines here and there, something like stems, but these are again going to be totally abstract, so don't worry much about them. You can just randomly draw some lines joining in between all the flowers. You can just keep on adding them randomly, maybe 2 or 3 just coming out from anywhere. So that it kind of looks filled up. Feel something is missing. Okay, let me do this. I'll just take some color. You can see the consistency, it's quite liquidy, and I'll just splash it around my flowers that I have painted. You can see I'm just lightly tapping on my brush to splash some of the paint here and there. So this will nicely give it a nice abstract effect. You can drop some orange bubbles too. And we are done with this simple artwork. Hope you enjoyed doing it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos from me. So don't forget to check out all the helpful links that are there in the description. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.